Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert gradient border to data point of chart in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I insert gradient border to data point in this chart. At first you have to select this data point, then right click on this data point, then you can see here are format data series. Just click it. Now click fill and line. Now go to border and you can see here are gradient border. Now you can see here are gradient stops. Now I choose two stops, two different color. Select this first stop, then click this color option. Now I choose blue. Now choose this second stop. Now again click this color drop down. Now I choose this one green. Now increase these borders white. Now change this color to red or this one. Now close this window. Now you can see I insert gradient border to data point of chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for